Hello and welcome. My name is Fame Ebong. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a very powerful and effective air freshener at home. So just watch this video and learn how to make your own through this wonderful DIY video. So over here, displayed on my work table are the chemicals and ingredients I'm going to be using with their measurements. So this is actually a 5 liters production. I'm making 5 liters of air freshener. Then these are my fragrances I'll be adding. I'm using the orange fragrance. I'm going to also add the tangerine fragrance. Then I'll add the pears fragrance. When making air fresheners like this, you can mix 3 or more fragrances together to achieve a unique scent. You can use one fragrance, you can choose to mix 2, or you can choose to mix like 3 or 4, depending on your choice what you want to mix. But mixing fragrances together enables a very unique scent. Then I'll be adding something called the catalyst. Catalyst helps your air freshener fragrance to boosts the scent of your air freshener fragrance. And this is the nitro, so I'll be adding very little nitro so to thicken up my air freshener a bit. So I don't want it to be too watery. I will thicken it up a bit by adding little nitro so. Over here is our menthol. Most people call it menthol crystal. I want to dissolve it. The best way to dissolve menthol is to dissolve it into the alcohol. So I'm dissolving it into my methanol. Menthol crystal dissolves in alcohol, or it dissolves in heat. You can heat it up on fire to dissolve, or if you don't want to use fire, you can simply dissolve it in your alcohol. Over there, I have dissolved it in my methanol. Methanol is an alcohol, so I've dissolved my menthol crystal into my methanol or alcohol. That is how you dissolve it. So just watch this video and learn how to produce air freshener. This is a very simple DIY. If you watch this video attentively, trust me, you will be able to produce your own air freshener. Like I said before, when adding the fragrance, you can choose to use 1, 2, 3 or more fragrances. But you have to understand that when you mix fragrances together, you have a chance of producing a unique scent that you cannot perceive in the market. Your own unique scent that when somebody buys it, your air freshener smells differently from others. That's the benefit of mixing fragrances together. Next I'll be adding is the catalyst. Like I said before, catalyst helps the scent of your fragrance to be strong. It increases the strength of your fragrance so that it will be very strong. So this is a 5 liters production. This air freshener, you can increase it up to 10 liters. For this measurement I use, you can even add water and make it up to 10 liters because the air freshener is very strong. This after I produced it was very strong, so you can increase it and make it like 10 liters. It will still be strong because this is a very strong production. So if you want to have a larger volume or a larger quantity, you can increase it to 10 liters for this measurement I'm using. You can add more water till it gets to 10 liters and it will still be very strong, so that you can also make more profit. Then as for the color, you use a water soluble color. Don't use oil soluble, use water soluble. And you can use any color of your choice. It must not be this blue color. Any color of your choice, you use it for your air freshener. Also, you need to understand that I run online classes for those that want to learn how to make soap and other skincare formulations. If you want to learn how to be a good cosmetologist, you do well by joining my online class. Then you learn how to make soap, body cream, liquid soap, powder detergent, hair shampoo, bleach, Dettol. There's a lot you learn in my online class. If you have issues reaching me through the link, you can reach me through this mobile number. Reach me on WhatsApp to be added to the training group. So I will see you there at the training class on WhatsApp. So you can see I'm filling up my air freshener into these bottles. You can literally start up an air freshener business. Just package it, put your label, set your price, and you sell and make a lot of money. This is a very nice and lucrative skill you could learn. People use air freshener. They use it in banks, restaurants, hotels, homes, churches, schools. There's literally no place they don't use air freshener. So it's a very lucrative business. People want their environment to have a nice scent and smell. So knowing this skill is a very good plus. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to drop your likes, your comments, and also don't forget to follow me. Follow me so you'll be updated by my newest and latest videos. And also don't forget to follow my other social media pages. I'm on TikTok, I'm on YouTube, and I'm on Facebook. You check me on TikTok, Fame Ebong TV, YouTube, Fame Ebong TV, then on Facebook, Fame Ebong. Thank you all for watching. Have a lovely day. Please share this video and also don't forget to follow me. I'll be very grateful. Goodbye and see you all next time on my next video.